Welcome back to TheBigFishPlayz, where today we'll be checking out the Elago Silicone case for 2nd generation AirPods. In front of me here I have the Elago A2 Silicone case in black. It also comes in this handy hang case version 2 if you so choose. The case itself comes in a cute little box and has pretty neat packaging. So let's go ahead and unbox this. As I'm taking this out of the bag, it looks really nice and smooth on the inside and outside. So the case is basically in two parts, joined together by a hinge. There's the Elago logo on the front, and just above that, a thin wall for you to still be able to view the LED light on the front. The company claims that it should not affect the lightning port at the bottom, and from these photos, I think it's safe to say that that claim is indeed true. So without further ado, let's get this case on. At first it is a little difficult to slide on, but it will eventually slide all the way in. Something I noticed while putting this on was that the case feels like it doesn't quite fit right, but if you really pull it tightly around our AirPods case and all the notches are in the right places, it fits just nice. This can take some time, so do have patience. It'll fit in the end. When you close the lid, it fits just nicely without any weird gaps or anything. The only thing I'll say is that the gap at the back seems a bit big, but it's probably for functionality, so it's not really a big deal. So now you're probably wondering, does it affect the crispy click of closing the lid? It still has a distinct clicking sound when it closes, now just a little bit duller. Importantly though, the closing function is not compromised in any way. Now you can see here, my LED light doesn't quite line up with the given circle on the case. So I'm gonna go ahead and readjust the case slightly. It's not too hard to do, so don't worry. So now after readjusting, my LED light lines perfectly and the case is perfect. On my old case, daily wear and tear completely demolished the shiny white surface of my case, and now it looks dull and gray like this. So I thought I need a protective case for my new case to maintain the white shininess of the outside. The case itself is actually not that thick. Here's a photo comparing the case without the Elago silicone case and the case with it. It's not that much difference really. I've only used this case for a few days, but so far I'm very pleased with it. It does the job nicely of protecting your AirPods case, and it itself doesn't get damaged and scratched easily, so it can maintain its nice black color. If you're thinking about getting one, I'll leave a link down below where you can get one. If you don't live in the US, buying from the Elago main website will incur a $30 shipping fee, so I recommend buying off of Amazon instead. It comes in many other colors and styles, including their duo cases. If you're thinking about buying one, I highly suggest you do. They're good quality and look great. But anyway, that's all from me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more here on the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you